Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to opt out from all the email marketing communications in Steam. Now let us begin. Well guys, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged into my account. Now let's simply look at how to opt out from email marketing. Initially at the top right, you can see your username right here, that is manage account. Simply click on this drop down right here. From there, all you guys need to do is go to this button that says account details. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is our account settings page. Do you note that there are lots of options, simply ranging from authorized device to account details. Right now, we do need to stay in the account details, so worry not. Right here, in the contact info section, you can see something called as manage email preferences. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, you can simply change the communication preferences. Right now, I want to opt out from all of them. So I'm simply gonna scroll down and right here, I'm gonna click on this radio button here and click on save. And guys, that is it. That is how you opt out of all email marketing communication in Steam. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.